Common English Errors and Grammar Mistakes, brought to you by Idioms Online. In this video, I'll explain a common misuse of the word abject in English that comes from a misunderstanding of the definition of the word. Most of us experience both abject joy and sorrow over the course of our lifetime. Most of us experience pure joy and abject sorrow over the course of our lifetime. Which sentence is correct? Only the second sentence is correct because you cannot experience abject joy. This is a misuse of the word abject, and yet the word is used this way often, even in literary works. Many people use the word abject as if it means extreme, so the first sentence might mean extreme joy and sorrow. However, abject doesn't just mean extreme. Instead, abject always describes something bad or negative which is experienced to an extreme degree. You can have abject sorrow or abject terror, but not abject joy or happiness unless perhaps you are being deliberately ironic. And it may be this frequent attempt at irony which causes people to misunderstand the word. Here are two basic definitions of abject. 1. Abject is used to describe something bad or negative experienced or present to the maximum degree. He experienced a long period of abject depression after losing his job and marriage. He witnessed abject misery and hopelessness, causing him to change the direction of his life. Meaning 2. Of a person being completely without pride or dignity, self-abasing or ingratiating, as in an abject apology. The prisoner professed abject repentance and sought to make amends to his victims. Here are some other examples of how to use abject in a sentence. Charles Goodyear, the inventor of vulcanized rubber, which revolutionized the tire industry, died in abject poverty. The experiment was an abject failure. Already humiliated, he was compelled to make an abject apology on national TV.